Hi there, it's Matt Walsh from Style Factory here, the go-to site for digital marketing and SEO advice. Stay tuned as I show you how to get a double-length trial of either the Pro or Guru version of Semrush. Okay, let's dive in. If you're interested in using Semrush, you'll know that it's one of the most powerful SEO tools available, but that it's also pretty expensive. There is a free trial of Semrush available, but normally speaking, this lasts just 7 days. Not really enough time to get a full sense of how everything works. But if you know how, there is a way to get extended 14-day free trials of Semrush Pro or Guru. Here's what you need to do. 1. Click the Style Factory trial link. Because we're an affiliate partner of Semrush, we can share special links that give our community access to these extended trials of the platform. I've put these in the video description. Simply go there and click on the trial that you'd like to try out. Please note that these are affiliate links, so we may get a commission if you end up buying a Semrush subscription with them. This is at no cost to you, and when you use our affiliate links, it funds our work, so if you do end up using one, thank you. 2. Create a Semrush account. When you click one of our affiliate links, you'll end up on a special Semrush free trial page. Click the Try It Free button to start the sign-up process. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. This sets up your free Semrush account, but you're not quite done yet. 3. Activate your 14-day trial. Once you've created a free Semrush account, you'll be asked to enter your credit card details in order to start your extended trial. This may seem a bit off-putting, but it's important to note that your card will only be charged if you subscribe to a plan at the end of the trial. You can cancel your trial at any point, and even if you subscribe to a Semrush plan, you can get a full refund on it if you cancel it within 7 days. In effect, this means that you can technically use Semrush for 21 days for free when you use our trial link. And that's it. You've now got access to an extra long Semrush free trial. To make sure you get other offers from Style Factory, along with access to all our digital marketing tips and tricks, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell. As a reminder, you'll find our special trial links in the video description, along with other useful Semrush resources. Finally, if you have any queries about the extended Semrush free trial, do feel free to leave them in the comment section of this video. We read them all and will do our best to help.